Good evening, 𝗍𝗍𝗁𝐷𝐶ity. It is a great pleasure for me to see so many familiar faces here. I want to thank Chief Guest Padma Shri Professor G.D. Yadav, our guest of honor, Professor Aniruddha Pandit, and Mr. Deepak Mehta for being here. I am very grateful to Rajendra Utturkar for writing the foreword for my book. I have fond memories of my education in 𝗵𝘁𝗰𝗵 Shala, my school. And I thank especially my teachers, 𝗪𝗪𝗂𝗧 and 𝗍𝗪, and fortunately, 𝗪𝗪𝗂𝗧 is here to bless me. The teaching, The teaching at 𝗍𝗪𝘁𝗍, especially by Professor 𝗵𝘁𝗰𝗵, was so powerful that it guided to me throughout my life, throughout my career. I am very thankful to my senior, Mr. Suhas Mokashi, for his mentorship and support, which are still valuable today. I deeply love my family, my wife, kids, friends, and colleagues. Your support and cheers means the world to me. I sincerely appreciate all of you for taking time to join us today. The book, Earn or Burn Your Profit, is a culmination of over 4 decades of experience, innovations, and lessons learned. The travel time from my brain, from my mind, and finally on the paper is 5 years. Writing, rewriting, rewriting again and again. While I was working on various projects, assignments, operations, consultation, facilitations, I used to observe myself what I am doing as well as the reactions of others. And I enjoyed observing reactions of others more than what I was doing. And that is the foundation in this book. During the course, I found one common thing. Most people are afraid of something, having some fear all the time. Raise your hand if you are afraid of something. Okay, good. Still, I could see that there are few people who are afraid of raising their hands. I think everybody who works in chemical process industry have some fear in their mind. And this fear, the topmost fear is safety and accident. Why this fear? The fear of unsafe situation. The book, Earn or Burn Your Profit, it identifies that. And it is extra risk associated with the industry. When you compare chemical process industry with any other industry, it has got extra risk due to the hazardous fluid handled. I learned in my life that there is nothing free. And this extra risk also should cost something. But when I observed around, I found that it is not being properly apportioned. It is not, I don't think the chemical manufacturing business are assigning this extra risk cost to them. The reason why I am saying is because chemical manufacturing business is not growing as expected. I am not saying that. It is said in one of the McKinsey's report, July 2022 report, it says that chemical manufacturing business is not really growing what it should be. It's not the top growing. When we are handling such a niche business, such a risky business, we should be top growing. Now, the solution for this particular issue, for slow growth, I have addressed in my book. And in order to give you crisply this solution, let me take an example of some analogy, and it is with cricket. Can I do that? Yeah. Anybody's slideshow? Huh? Okay. So go to next slide. Yeah. So this is a test cricket data I have taken between India and England between 47 to till today. Total number of series played are 32. We won 12, lost 15, drawn 5. Now if I split this, see the first data feel that okay, both countries are on average. But if I split that, then next one, it is before 1990 and after 1990, there is a drastic difference. Sorry. Okay. So, pre-economic liberalization, we played 17 matches, won 5, lost 10, drawn 2. Post-economic liberalization, we played 15, won 7. There is a increase of win from 5 to 7. We have lost 50%, okay? From 10 it has come down to 5. And drawn has increased by 1. So isn't it a fantastic performance? Now what is that they did differently? Is it the people or player played really well? Yes, they did played. But it is not just that. See, for this particular success, there are number of theories available. People talk a lot about success factors. But I have personally all success factor grouped into four parts, okay? 4 success factor primarily. The first one is, next slide. Yeah. Knowledge, skills, and technique. Second group is cricket gears, health, and fitness, which is something similar to facilities. Third is training, coaching, mentoring, and motivation. So it's a human capital development. And the fourth is a cricket control board, so organization behind the team, okay? So I can say that our cricket board invested heavily into these 4 success factors. And it is not only investing into this individually, okay? They removed weakness and build the strength. And all these 4 factors were integrated together. I call it as a synchronization. So synchronization within these 4 success factors are very important. If synchronization is not there, then team can fail. And there is a recent example of such failure. Do you remember? 𝗵𝗃 losing match. She got disqualified. And the reason is, these 4 success factors were not integrated. We are strong in all 4 factors, but we failed. So, this is an analogy. Can we apply this analogy to our chemical process industry? So, in chemical process industry, you will find a similarity. There are 4 success factors in cricket. There are 4 assets. The 4 assets are basic technology, so equivalent to knowledge, skills, technique. Cricket gears, health, and fitness is plant facility. Training, coaching is human capital development and the organization. So all these 4 assets has to synchronize together to deliver safety. Now, in chemical manufacturing plant, chemical manufacturing basis, there are accidents. In cricket also, you can view it as accident. So what are the accidents in cricket? It is losing wickets, less score, losing series. Here, fire, explosion, and exposure to hazardous chemicals. So this is the accident, okay? And the consequences are heavy financial losses and damages to environment, assets. Path to success in both, it is avoiding accidents. Now, it is very important in both cases that you need to synchronize the 4 assets. In case of cricket, there is an opponent. Here, there is no direct opponent for chemical manufacturing business. You are only opponent. So you have to fight with you. Now, if I summarize what I said just now, so the problem is extra risk in chemical manufacturing business is the problem, and the solution is strong synchronization of all the four assets to deliver safety. Thus, safety is no longer only technical issue. It is much, much beyond technical issue. The solution apparently looks simple, but actually it is too complex. And I have tried to simplify this solution in the book. The book provides complete step-by-step procedure. So let me talk about the book. The book has 290 pages, 12 chapters, and 1 epilogue. The primary audience for the book is top and middle management of chemical process manufacturing plant, followed by other stakeholders such as design and engineering consultant, basic technology supplier, and safety professionals. The book has identified 4 pillars of chemical manufacturing business. They are safety, efficiency, environment, and profit. So these pillars are required to be taken care. And the book also says that if safety is taken care, automatically rest of the 3 will be taken care. Now here just a word of caution. Here safety means what it said in the book, not what is generally understood. Okay? Now, what is the special in my book? The book challenges current definition of accident. And of course, it gives a new definition. The book questions current understanding of safety needs. In order to develop this procedure, I developed number of new concepts. For example, to give a few, business hazard characteristics, business landmines, accident categories, problem patterns, the environment, a silent business partner, and the 𝗵𝘃 system for designing. The benefits for the book. The book shows safety can enhance efficiency, efficiency can elevate the environment, driving profitability. The book offers ultimate step-by-step procedure for safe and efficient plant operation. This particular procedure, I have named it as 𝗪𝘹 process. 𝗪𝘹 stands for safe and efficient plant operation. The 𝗪𝘹 process is applicable 24/7, 365 days a year throughout the plant and project life cycle. And the beauty is, it can be employed by all chemical manufacturers irrespective of what is their status, whether they are at startup, they are at struggle stage, they are at stability stage, they are at expansion or maturity. The process can be implemented at your own pace. The process is intrinsic. That is, it is within the primary business, which is a production. Generally, safety is external entity to the primary business of production. The book helps top management to understand their role clearly and shows that they can promote safety and efficiency. The new process implementation is equivalent to 4th era of safety management system. Please note that 4th era of safety management system is yet to show its appearance in chemical process industry. In chemical process industries, only 3rd era are being practiced. So this book gives opportunity to practice 4th era of safety management system. I want to declare that, in front of you I want to declare that I am on mission to help chemical process plant facility owners and their management team for safe and efficient plant operation that alleviate the environment and earn extra profits. Writing the book was the first step toward my mission. This is a very small step. There is a massive work left, and I alone cannot do it without your participation. So the next step, what I want that this book should reach to each and every user, and you should help for this particular participation, okay? So you should buy the books not in just 1 or 2 copies, in bulk, and distribute it, share it, gift it to people who want to use it. See, book writing is just one step. When people use it, actually apply, that is the real, I would say, that satisfaction. You can count on me for any help in this respect. So for today's, I would like to pass on slogan to you. Be safe, be efficient. Be safe, be efficient. Thank you.